Hey everyone, how's it going? My name is John. Friends call me Turner Wrenches 85er. Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's doing good. I was supposed to make this video a while back before this ended, but there's still time to do it if you need to. Hype has some maintenance kits coming out, with the air filters and all that for, your 2-cycle or your, regular lawnmower maintenance. So I got one for an echo trimmer I'm going to be working on. It's not going to be in this video, unfortunately, but I'm going to show you what the kit was. I know they wanted me to show it, me installing it, but I'm going to show you what the kit is. I know eventually I'm going to do the video on it where I'm going to put it on there and do all that. But I wanted to show you what the kit was that it's going to be and what you can get out there if you go to hipastore.com and check it out. And the code is hipamaintenancekit. You can use to get a little bit of a discount off of the product. So let me get this camera turned around, and then I'll show you guys this maintenance kit. Okay, let me show you guys the maintenance kit I picked out for this Echo trimmer I'm going to be working on. It's a future video, so I'm going to show you the kit that I got sent to me. It's been a while back since I had it sent out to me here, so I'll show you guys what all it comes with here. It's going to come out with, when you order one, just depending on what you're getting, but for mine it's coming with the new fuel lines and the fuel filter there, and then you're going to get the air filter, which is going to go on mine too when I replaced all that. And then of course they give you, some extra filters and stuff with it, and extra purge bulb there, and 2 more fuel filters there. So some extra filters that help you out there if you need to. But the kit is pretty much plug and play. All you're going to do is just basically take your old fuel lines and just line them up with that one. Oops, sorry. Just going to take your fuel lines and line them up with your other one there, and basically plug and play. Your return line, the fuel line itself, when you press the primer bulb, and then of course this is your vent to be putting on there too, and then of course this would be going inside the fuel tank there, and then of course the filter would be it would go in its normal spot as well there, and then of course good to have an extra purge bulb. I just usually keep these in stock just in case I ever need one, because you never know when you're going to need one of these things. But spark plugs are usually not too bad, but it's always good if you're going to be, especially if you're going to be reselling it or you're fixing it up on your own, you want to just go ahead and put a fresh spark plug in there if you choose to. But Hypa usually has pretty decent spark plugs there, so I usually have no problem with them there. And then of course, like I said, the fuel filters, I'll just put them in my case there, for future use, in case I need a fuel filter that's so bad that rotted out that I need to replace it on another machine. So anyway, I just wanted to show you guys this video on this. But like I said, it's a nice kit there, so go check them out. It's till the end of November here. I'm a little late on this video here doing this, but if you do that and you use the code HIPA maintenance kit, you get a little bit off of it. But I will do this video, but it's not going to be, unfortunately, in this one of me repairing it. But let me turn it around and show you guys my pretty face and run this video off here. Alright guys, that's going to end this video. I got you guys propped up on my workbench here talking. I got a lot of work to do in this garage if I want to use this garage as a work area there. So you've probably seen a little bit of a mess behind me and all that what I'm working on. But anyway, like I said, I wanted you to check that out there. Put the code in, go to hipastore.com, order your air filter. You'll see the links on there for it to check them out, and use Hypa's maintenance kit there, and that should give you a little bit off of there as well. I don't know if my code works still. It's been a while since I've used any Hypa products. If you want to use TW85 too, I don't know if that'll help you out, but I know the Hypa maintenance one kit, one word, will help you out there. But it's till the end of November. Unfortunately, it's November 24th at the filming of this. So I'm going to try to put this out as quick as I can. You guys go check it out. And go get you guys the maintenance kit ready for, get your power equipment's ready for this spring 2024, okay? So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get off of here. I'm going to get this video out to you guys. And hopefully enough you guys get that maintenance kit there. Sorry, I'm not going to get a chance to put it together in this video. Just had a lot of stuff going on here lately, and I wasn't able to, you know, work on it. But one of the videos I'll do, I'll put that maintenance kit on there, and I'll refresh my you guys' memory on that one, okay? But it's on an echo trimmer I'm going to be fixing up to resell coming spring. So anyway, I'm going to get out of here. Like, share, subscribe, and keep on turning those wrenches, everybody. I'll see you guys on the next one. Y'all take care.